What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be talking about the Cricut Explore Air 2. Basically a cutting tool. This is something that you essentially need, especially if you want to go and start a brand. If not start a brand, start a business. This is a step in the right direction. And this is not a review, this is not a tutorial, this is not an in-depth breakdown of what the Cricut can do. And this is not sponsored, this is me specifically telling you why you should get a Cricut. Now, you can go off and not buy one, I don't care, but this is stepping you guys, or giving you an idea of why I decided to get my Cricut. And this kind of a breakdown of some key points. I just want to be very general, very honest, and just kind of get into why I decided to get the Cricut. So there's so many things you can do with the Cricut, but for me, I want to just make designs. And that's generally why I decided to get the Cricut over all the other stuff and alternatives. Because it was so accessible, I can go to a local store and buy it. I don't need to go online. You could go online. And if you are trying to buy it online, I'll put a link down below to the machine. You guys can check it out. But I really want to design my own clothing. And if you guys have never been to my channel before, that's like the main goal. Is to create my own clothing from scratch, upcycle it so it's my own. And it's just a rewarding feeling just to say, oh, this is my brand. This is what I made. And that's the best thing that I can really say that comes out of the Cricut, is that you have the freedom to create what you want. One thing that I really like about the Cricut is that I am able to manufacture from my house. Not outsourcing, not sending it out here, there, get samples. Everything is done in-house. And if you really want to start a streetwear brand, or if you want to start a company, it's good to learn the process first. Because if you want to go big, you already know the process, so you know how things work. If you jump straight into a brand, a company, or a business, without having it sound so cliche, you gotta dip your fingers or dip your feet into the water to get an idea of what you want to create, and how you want your business to prosper. And I think this is why I decided to go with the Cricut. It's just that it gave me the flexibility to learn, it gave me the flexibility to create. And on top of sewing, on top of creating my own clothing, this will give me a good idea of where I want to set my brand for the future. So that's basically what I really want to say about the Cricut. If you want to purchase the Cricut, I put a link down below to it. If you want me to do some like Cricut videos on top of sewing, let me know down below how you guys feel about that. And if you guys want to really get some more ideas, some more opinions about Cricut, be sure to hit me up on Instagram at KenAndrewDaily. I just can't wait to see what I can design, especially in the future once I grow and learn more about the machine, become an expert, and maybe do some videos for you guys. But I am going to end the video here. If you have any additional questions, feel free to drop it down below. Hopefully this will give you a second opinion about getting into making your own streetwear brand or business or clothing brand or whatever. It's just, you gotta start from the bottom, and this is probably the best way to do it. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. I'll probably be making some thrift videos or some Cricut videos. I'm not sure. I'm just having fun with it. Again, I think the best thing you can do for yourself is to learn, have fun with it, and grow. I think growing is the most important part. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Very simple.